Hello folks, George here, and today's tutorial is all about getting started with Arduino. If you are an electronics enthusiast and you are interested in learning the Arduino, this series of tutorials is for you. First, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source platform based on an easy-to-use hardware and software. In software side, we are using the freeware Arduino IDE or Integrated Development Environment. In Arduino IDE, we can code our program and easily upload it to the Arduino boards. Though there are many alternative softwares available with beautiful user interface and features code completion, but Arduino IDE is user-friendly and best for beginners and even for experienced users. Arduino IDE includes ready-made examples you can directly compile and upload to your Arduino board. To advance your knowledge and experience, I recommend to play, modify, and expand the example code and experience the beauty of tinkering using an Arduino. In this way, you will learn coding in C++ and at the same time develops knowledge. Arduino IDE also includes a built-in serial monitor which is best used when debugging your code. You may also try to use the serial plotter to plot data coming from your sensors. While in hardware side, the most widely used is the Arduino Uno. Uno is an Italian word which means one. This is because Arduino Uno is the first board ever created in the line of boards of Arduino. On board, the Arduino Uno is an Atmega 328 by Atmel. It is clocked with 16 MHz ceramic resonator. Arduino Uno can be powered through USB, AC to DC power adapter, or with a battery. It has 14 digital general-purpose input-output pins which functions as digital pins, or high or low. Digital pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11 also serves as 6-channel PWM outputs. Digital pins 0 and 1 also serves as UART serial interface, while digital pins 10, 11, 12, and 13 also serves as SPI interface. It also has 6 analog general-purpose input-output which functions as analog pins or varying voltage. Analog pins A4 and A5 also serves as I2C interface. It has power pins which functions as voltage source to the input interface sensors and output devices. It can be used to power a 3.3 volts and 5.0 volts. Arduino Uno has also the following additional features. It has an onboard USB to serial chip which is used in uploading the code to the Arduino boards. It also has an onboard LED indicator for the serial transmit and receive. It also has a single onboard LED indicator which is connected to digital pin 13. This is useful for beginners who's just trying some basic codes, and it comes very handy for advanced users when needing an indicators, let's say when executing an interrupt service routine or some processes. So that's all for now. Later, I will be posting more tutorials like this. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment box. Thank you and have a good day. Bye! Happy tinkering!